Brick is definitely a low maintenance product, and that was one of the reasons that we really wanted to use it. The day that you lay that brick, you don't have to touch that for 15, 20 years plus.
They're still popular, the choices never change, so we'd always recommend using brick, and we do that in basically all of our houses. We have some element of brick involved. Well, I've seen a pretty big trend, and we tried to incorporate it in this house as well, as all the sort of neutral colour palette, neutral tones, materials and finishes that won't date or age. So we tried to use it all throughout this house, and hopefully in years to come it's still on trend and still works well.
We're really excited and really thankful to PGH. We're the first ones in Australia to actually use this product.
The range we used is pure linens, and the brick we selected is Pebble Creek.
What I'd really highly recommend would be go down to your local PGH and get some samples, not just one, but get a whole bunch, and do a sample pad and ask your bricklayer to lay some bricks and choose your grout colour and how that's going to look when it's finished.
PGH has such a good reputation. Like when you go and have a look, their range is just so comprehensive. They've got different textures, styles, finishes, so no matter what your taste, you'll definitely be able to find something perfect at PGH.